The sun is the ultimate source of energy, and it is responsible for the majority of evaporation on the planet. When water molecules on the surface of water bodies become stimulated and rise into the air, evaporation occurs. Evaporation through the leaves of plants is another process known as evapotranspiration. This process is responsible for a significant amount of water in the atmosphere. Then there is sublimation. Sublimation is the transformation of snow or ice into water vapor without becoming water. Dry winds and low humidity are the most common causes. On mountaintops, where the air pressure is very low, sublimation can be seen. Because less energy is used in the process of sublimating the snow into water vapor, the low air pressure aids the process. The phase where fog bellows from dry ice is another example of sublimation. The ice sheets that cover the Earth's poles are the principal source of sublimation on the planet. Next is condensation. Due to the low temperatures encountered at high altitudes, the water vapor that is accumulated in the atmosphere ultimately cools down. These vapors condense into tiny droplets of water and ice, which eventually condense into clouds. The vapors condense into water droplets when the temperature rises above 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. It cannot, however, condense without the presence of dust or other contaminants. As a result, water vapors adhere to the particle's surface. It falls off of the sky and onto the land below when enough drops combine. Precipitation is the name for this procedure, or rainfall. Water droplets freeze and fall as snow or hail in extremely cold weather, or when air pressure is extremely low. Infiltration is the process through which rainwater is absorbed into the ground. The amount of absorption varies depending on the medium into which the water has entered. Rocks, for example, will retain significantly less water than dirt. Streams and rivers can both carry groundwater. However, it is possible that it will simply sink deeper, forming aquifers. If rainfall does not create aquifers, it falls victim to gravity and flows down the slopes of mountains and hills, eventually producing rivers. Runoff is the term for this procedure.